Hey Joe, your light's bright enough.
Yeah, cut them lights,
man,
dude.
I need a few more.
Cut some of the lights. Oh, that's much better.
What do you mean much better? I can't see anything.
You can keep them on, dude.
It's making glare on the camera.
Oh, was it?
Yeah.
Honestly,
Yeah, it was.
at this point, I don't give a damn about the video. I'd rather not.
Neither do I. Thank you. I'm turning it off.
Oh, no, keep rolling, but I just don't care that it's, you know, you might want to sit down.
Nah, I'll be all right.
Okay.
I'm locked in, dude. Lock and load.
That hole to our left. To my left.
Rock.
Big rock.
Yeah. There's a little high center on it, you know? Whoa, look at that thing. That'll swallow somebody. Easy. Woo. All right, check it out then, dude.